Alright guys, going to randomize the numbers here for the Pro Bowl bobblehead pool, 5:07 p.m. January 27th. We're going to go live. And we are live. 5:07 p.m. 5:07 p.m. We are going to grab this list, 10 players. Drop it into random. Shane in the bottom, Zach on top. Roll 2 dice, 5 or higher, just like a Raz. 7, that's high enough, good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times dice show 7. Next click, got your numbers. 7, here's your numbers, I'll drop them at the bottom of the post. We are done. 5:08 p.m. Go back to the post. Check done. We are done. 5:08 p.m. 5:08 p.m. Timestamp verification.